Hey there, adventurers! As you gear up for your next outing, whether just a few hours or a full weekend, keep the AdventureSmart 3 T's in mind. Trip planning, training, and taking the essentials. One key essential? A fire-making kit, like a lighter, waterproof matches, or if feeling retro, a classic flint. They're just the tools to get that fire started in a pinch. Fire is nature's oldest multi-tool, and the original internet. It can be used for warmth, drying soggy socks, signaling for help, cooking up some grub, melting snow, or boiling water for that extra hot, half-fat, no-whip decaf. But hold up, before packing that fire-making kit and sparking up, take a moment to learn how to use them. And don't forget, be aware and up-to-date on local fire risks and bans. So don't get caught in the cold. Follow the AdventureSmart 3 T's and make sure you bring a proper fire-making kit and know how to use it. In an emergency, call 911 and stay put until help arrives. There's no charge for rescue. See you on the trails.